Last December, we explored 3 different Christmas market cities: Bratislava, Wrocław, and multiple in Prague, Czechia. In this video, we're going to focus on the Christmas markets in Prague. Like other large European cities with Christmas markets, Prague's markets span across multiple locations spread around the city. The largest 2 are located in Wenceslas and Old Town squares. Today, we'll be showing you not only these, but a few of the other more hidden markets, including one where you'll likely be the only out-of-towner there. Let's begin at the Wenceslas Christmas Market. This market has many of the same stalls that you'll find in the other markets, like mulled wine, a grill serving fire-roasted ham, and trdelník, or chimney cakes.
So this is a chimney cake. The Czech word is like it's not turtleneck, turtleneck or something. But yeah, chimney cake. It's called that because it looks like a chimney. And I had this for the first time in Prague in 2013 when I was studying abroad. And this was like one of my favorite things that I remembered about Prague. And I've made it my goal to eat one at least every day that we've been here. So I'm really excited for this one. But it's basically just like dough with cinnamon sugar around the outside. And sometimes they put chocolate, and there's even some like specialty stores here that like put ice cream in them. So it's a big part of Czech culture as far as I'm concerned.
The Wenceslas market also has a few unique things as well, like a blacksmith hammering some things out, and an ice skating rink, which actually stays up through February. Right next to Wenceslas Square, you'll find Havelské, Tržiště, which isn't typically listed as one of Prague's Christmas markets, since it's actually a year-round farmers market. But they also put up a few lights to celebrate the season. And if you're looking for mulled wine, this was one of the cheapest spots we found.
That one's so cheap, 65?
Yeah, that's the cheapest we've seen yet, I think.
Yeah, that's really like half the cost. Should I go get another one?
Just a short 5-minute walk from Wenceslas Square. Head north, and you'll enter Old Town Square, where Prague's largest Christmas market can be found. And looking around, it's easy to see why it's also Prague's most famous Christmas market as well. The Old Town Square market is surrounded by the historic architecture of Prague, including St. Nicholas Church, the Church of Our Lady before Theme, and the Old Town Hall that has the famous astronomical clock. It also has a magnificent Christmas tree that is relit every 30 minutes on the hour and half hour. Around the corner from St. Nicholas Church, you'll find the market in Marian Square.
Just a 5-minute walk from the crazy busy Old Town Christmas Market is the very small Marian Square Christmas Market where we're at right now. Not only is it a lot less crowded, but the very few food and drinks that they have are a lot cheaper. So if you're hungry near the Old Town, come over here instead. Most of the booths here are handmade types of like artisan crafts, and it seems that some of them are from very socially responsible local businesses here in Czechia. And behind me is a little booth where we thought kids were writing letters to Santa, but actually they were writing letters to the famous baby Jesus, or the Child of Prague as it's called, which is a very special baby Jesus statue that's in one of the churches here that's doing this with his fingers. And at the end of your letter, you're supposed to ring the bell.
Another Christmas market you can go to if you leave Old Town, go across the Charles Bridge towards the castle, is here in Malá Strana, or the Lesser Town. The nice thing about the Christmas market here is that it still has all of your staples. It's still got the mulled wine, it's still got the grills, it's still got the chimney cakes, but with way less crowds and way more tables and places to sit down and enjoy your food.
It tastes like blueberry juice. It tastes like a blueberry pancake, actually.
And last on the list of markets we explored was this one in Peace Square. This one was also a bit further out from the city center. and you'd think that being further out from the city center would be less crowded. But I think for that exact reason, it was full of locals, which personally is more of what I like to experience when exploring new cities. While we admire the Christmas market and the festive spirits, here are some additional tips and tricks to make your Prague Christmas market experience the best it can be. The larger Christmas markets in Wenceslas and Old Town squares became more and more crowded each day as it got closer to the weekend, which limited the space to even stand and enjoy your food and drink. Combine that with the inflated prices, we found ourselves preferring the smaller Christmas markets a bit further away from the city center. That said, the larger markets are where you get to be surrounded by the famous Prague architecture. And since all of the stalls in these markets accepted credit cards, we didn't have to worry about changing into the local currency of koruna. There are a few more markets even further out from the city center that we didn't make it to, which likely also means smaller crowds and an even more local feel to the markets overall. But when visiting these markets further out from the city center, be sure to keep in mind that as you get further out, the payment options also become more limited. Seemingly, none of the stalls in Peace Market accepted credit cards, and we considered ourselves lucky to find a place in the Peace Square Market that accepted euros. While the last day for most of these Christmas markets is December 24th, the largest ones in Wenceslas and Old Town squares remain open until early January, including Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day. If you're going to Prague, I'm sure you'll have plans to see places like the Prague Castle and the astronomical clock. But if you're looking for some spots that are a bit more off the beaten path, here are a few ways to spend your time while waiting for the magic of the Christmas markets to come to life. To read some more details, see a map of the Christmas markets in Prague, or for other ideas of things to do, go check out Kathy's blogs, which will be linked in the description below. Like I said at the beginning, this was part of a larger trip for us, where we also explored the Christmas markets in Wrocław, Poland, and Bratislava, Slovakia. So, if you're interested in visiting some of the other Christmas markets as well, be sure to check out the videos I made on those markets, also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Na zdraví. That's how you say cheers in Czech.